everyone, we're going to find a power series for the derivative of f of x equals 1 divided by x plus 2, which is the sum from negative n equals 0 to infinity, and that's negative 1 to the nth power times x plus 1 to the nth power. And this is your interval of convergence there for our infinite power series. So let's go ahead and differentiate both sides of the equation because we're trying to find f prime of x. So we're going to take the derivative with respect to x of 1 divided by x plus 2. Now on this side, I'm going to go ahead and expand this. So substitute, I'm going to go from u sub 1 plus u sub 0 plus u sub 1 plus u sub 2 all the way to u sub n dot dot dot. All right. So when you substitute in your 0 into this formula, you're going to get 1. When you substitute in 1, you're going to get minus x plus 1. And then when you substitute in your 2, this is going to change to plus because of the negative 1 here. X plus 1 squared. And for the 3, we're going to get minus x plus 1 cubed plus dot 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 plus the final part will be, and I'm going to scoot it down a little bit, negative 1 to the nth power times x plus 1 to the nth power plus dot dot dot. All right. Now, let's take the derivative. So again, this can be written as x plus 2 to the negative first power. And when you differentiate it, you're going to get negative 1 divided by x plus 2. Because that's going to move that in the denominator. So we're going to get the derivative of that is negative 1 divided by, this should be squared, x plus 2 squared equals, now this is the part we're going to have to differentiate. So derivative of 1 is just 0, and derivative of this is just going to be negative 1. Plus, take the derivative of this, you're going to get 2 times x plus 1. This one's going to be minus 3 times x plus 1 squared plus dot 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 plus, now this piece is going to be, I'm going to scoot it down again, negative 1 to the nth, and since we have the nth power, this will be n times x plus 1 to the n minus 1 power. All right, so we found our derivative, and the way we're going to write it is f prime of x equals negative 1 divided by x plus 2 squared equals, and your summation is going to change. Before it was from n equals 0, we lost this term, and now we're starting with this one. So we're starting with u sub 1. It got moved down. So this is going to be n equals 1 to infinity. And then all you do is copy this down. And that's going to be negative 1 to the nth power times n to the x plus 1 to the power of n minus 1. Again, your interval of convergence is negative 2 to 0. And so this is basically your answer here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.